already. You push up that back. Oh gosh. What's up, guys? I've done a terrible job filming. So here's your first lap down the Whitewater for the day. Cause I don't know, never filmed an intro today. Woo! So Whitewater done over here at the North Fork of the French Broad because it's good. Horse pasture is still really high, and this is at like 13, which is solid. I'd do one more little solo lap since we self-shuttled the first one. Pretty much self-shuttled the second one solo, and get one more lap in today. Well, this is stupid. Whitewater to kick the day off, new one for me, and double self shuttle down the mighty North Fork, French Broad. Not a bad way to spend a Sunday. And considering this is on an hour of sleep, I'm feeling pretty good. Either way, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get warm. There's a giant cold front coming through, and you can feel it in the air the whole day because it's gotten progressively colder. So let me get out all this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the river.